So we're going to do biomolecules. This will be the first day of biomolecules. Some quick announcements. Make sure you sign up for Remind 101. I will send some reminders and due dates, things of that nature. Also, don't forget to sign your safety contract on Parent Access, and don't forget to do your safety test. That's very important to get that done. This video will be on this little cloud right here. Also, just as a reminder, if you are in first period only, you go to this module. If you are not in first period, you go in these modules right here. First period only on the red. Everything else you click the blue. So my 5th period, my 7th period, my 2nd, my 6th, and my 8th periods, you click right here. Hopefully that clears up some some issues. Alright, so if you go, we will have day 1. You have a warm-up. This is just a little tidbit. You have a warm-up, you have an Explore food label, you have a cloud assignment, and an intro drill 1 and an intro drill 2. So here is your warm-up. You're going to watch this video, and then you're going to answer the questions in the discussion board. Same thing. Then you have Explore your food labels. You're going to look at the little quiz, look at that food label, answer the questions. You have your cloud assignment. I'm going to have a video of the notes. You're going to go through the video notes, and you're going to do the cloud assignment. So you need to be on the school's Google account, and you need to authorize in order to get to the cloud assignment. And then you have a Biochem Drill 1 and a Biochem Drill 2. And that will be for day 1 of Biomolecules. So if you have any issues, please feel free to contact me. You can email me, Canvas, Messenger, or Remind 101. I'm quicker on the Remind 101 because it goes directly to my phone. So if you have any issues, please feel free to contact me.